Hey, quick question. When's the last time you thought about the air you're breathing in your car? No judgment, but if it smells like a gym locker or your allergies are suddenly partying harder than you are, it's time to shine a light on the unsung hero of your car's AC, your cabin air filter. What even is a cabin air filter? Think of it as the bouncer for your car's air. Its job? Keep out the bad guys like dust, pollen and mold spores so you can enjoy a clean, fresh ride. It's nestled in your car's HVAC system, quietly working to save you from sneezes and stink bombs. But like any good employee, it needs regular breaks, aka replacements, before it gets clogged and grumpy. Signs your cabin air filter needs a vacation. Stank City. If your car smells like wet socks or old leftovers, your cabin air filter might be hoarding mold and mildew. Bonus grossness. That musty funk is probably circulating every time you turn on the AC. Weird noises. Ever hear your vents whistle or whine like they're auditioning for a horror movie? A clogged filter forces air to fight its way through and your blower motor is not happy about it. Wimpy airflow. You've cranked the AC to max, but it feels like someone's politely blowing on you. Yep, that filter's choked with debris, your car's working overtime and your fuel efficiency is taking a hit. Foggy windows. That won't quit. If your defroster's struggling to clear your windshield, blame your filter. A clogged one slows airflow, which means less dehumidified air to zap that annoying fog. Allergy explosion. More sneezing? Dustier dashboard? A clogged filter can't block allergens anymore. In fact, it might even be spitting some back at you. How often should you replace it? Most manufacturers suggest every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, but it really depends on your driving habits. If you're always kicking up dust on gravel roads or live in Allergy Central, you might need to change it sooner. Why bother? Let's be real. No one wants to roll around in a car that smells like feet or feels like a sneeze fest. Plus, ignoring a dirty filter can jack up your AC's efficiency, cost you more in gas, and even damage your blower motor. So treat your cabin air filter like the MVP it is. Replace it on time, and your nose and passengers will thank you.